Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a quick birthday card. We're going to be using the Hooray for Surprises stamp set. This is the Fully Flowering Ephemera pack, as well as the Journey, Thoughtful Journey Memories and More. We're going to be using the Memories and More card pack to be our designer series paper, okay? But before we get started on our card, let's go over a little bit of buzzworthy business of the day. All I have for you today is our paper pumpkin kit for August, Time for Cake. This is a birthday themed paper pumpkin kit. It's going to come with an additional free stamp set. It's going to make 9 cards and comes with a Night and Navy stamping spot. You have the opportunity to purchase the Every Celebration Dies add-on. It's $12 for 3 dies that coordinate with July, August, and September paper pumpkin kits. The item number is 164991, and that is while supplies last. And you must be a paper pumpkin subscriber in order to purchase those. There's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin. That is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. If you want my current host code, go ahead and visit my blog at honeybeestampinhive.com. So we have a thick basic white base here that's 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4, and I burnished that down with my bone folder. I have some Blackberry Bliss pieces here. We have 2 that are 3 by 4 and 1 that is 5 by 3 3/4. This is for the inside. And then we have some of the Memories and More cards. This one is 2 7/8 by 3 7/8. Well, they're both actually 2 7/8 by 3 7/8 because I cut them down to be a little smaller than the 3 by 4. Okay, so we're just going to glue these together to the mat. I hate covering up one side of this. Like, this side has writing on it as well, and I love this side too. But I needed this purple background, this Blackberry Bliss background. Let me see, make sure I get this on here with good borders. This is going to be a quick and cute birthday card. Whoop, whoop, don't. Oh, I love the. You guys know how I love stripes. I love this side. It really hurt me to cover that up. I was trying to figure out a way I could incorporate it, but it just didn't go. Okay, so now we have that. Then I have the inside piece. It's a basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. I went ahead and put a strip of that of this. When I cut it down, I put that little strip on there to decorate our inside. But we're going to stamp our sentiment on the inside using some Blackberry Bliss ink. And it says, "Hope your birthday is wonderful." And we're just going to put that right there like that. Okay, now let's go ahead and glue this together to make our inside. I'm going to put this on the other Blackberry Bliss. Just like that. Then I have a piece from the ephemera, a little tiny flower. And we're just going to put that right here. Just like that. Then we can add this to our inside. Put that right on the inside of our card. Trying to make sure it's even. And while I have the ink, let's go ahead and stamp on the back of our card. Making sure I do the back. This is my just my watermark stamp that says I made the card. That's it. So that's all the stamping done. So now we can put the rest of the card together. So let's turn that back over. And we're going to put this piece down. And we're going to put this all the way to one side, leaving an even border on 3 sides. I'm going to take this one. And we're going to try to get that same border on this side. Like that. Then I have another piece of the ephemera pack. This is just a cute little flower. And I went ahead and put Stampin' Dimensionals on the back. And we're going to release the backing paper and pop this up on the front of our card. And we're going to put that right here. Just like that. And then I have some of the adhesive back purple fine shimmer gems. And we're gonna add a couple of these because these come in Berry Burst, Gorgeous Grape, and Highland Heather. And we're gonna use the darkest ones. So let's see where I want to put it. Let's put two up here, a big one and a small one. I can pick it up. We'll put two there and put another small one right here by the flowers. Okay, that is our card done. Isn't that cute? Nice and simple and quick. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.